Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Trojan bot of Telegram to your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first, you're going to go to your Phantom wallet, go to your account on the top left, and then select it from here. Now from there you're going to show your private key, and then you're going to acknowledge that this private key has to stay secret for yourself. So once you do that, click continue, and it shows you all the wallets that you have, then click on it and then copy that private key. Once you copy it to clipboard, go back and then go to your Telegram. From here, you're going to search for your Trojan on Solana, and then from here, you're going to go to the settings. Now, from the settings, you can connect the wallet by adding your private key that we just addressed, or you can go back and then simply click on withdraw, and then from here, it will ask you which wallet, so I'll click on Solana, and then you're going to apply the code that we just have given, and here, as you can see, set withdrawal address. Once you click on it, it will show you to ask you to put the address. And then from here, you're going to simply click on paste and add it. And then from here, you can withdraw whatever amount of money that you would like directly to your Phantom wallet. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.